Good morning. I just woke up in Milford Sound and it is raining like crazy here. Supposedly it rains 300 days a year, and when it does, the rainfall from the mountains bleeds down and you get these incredible waterfalls. This is insane. There's waterfalls everywhere. This is pretty crazy. There's like no civilization around here, and all you have is like the wild of nature. It does not let up. Okay, it's time to get on the boat. I have to walk through this like a good 5-10 minutes. And even though I have water resistant clothing, I don't think it's waterproof. I don't have waterproof shoes. I'm gonna end up seeing you next completely soaked, but I think it's gonna be an amazing boat ride. And the guy that I met last night supposedly put me on his kayaking tour, so that should be pretty fun too if that goes through. My mind has just been completely blown to pieces. That was incredible. I woke up this morning and I'm always the type of person, I'm like, it's raining. People have said when you go out on this trip, it's actually better in the rain, or it's a different experience from seeing in the sun. And that was unbelievable. As soon as we got out of the harbor and the visibility cleared a bit, there were waterfalls everywhere. It was stunning. The thing is, you see all these waterfalls at eye level, but then if you look further up and you see like all the little waterfalls that are contributing down to the ones that you see, it's massive. It's freaking crazy. This has by far been the highlight of this New Zealand trip. And I've seen amazing things, but that was unbelievable. The company I went out with was really good, Southern Discoveries. They had a really good guide on board, and then they had like hot drinks inside so you could get completely drenched, but then still come back inside. And then the guy I met last night at the bonfire took me out on a kayak with a few people that actually signed up. And that was also really different. Like, you see it from a different perspective. That was... I don't have words for that. I saw some pictures of it in the sun, but I can't imagine that you have like that full experience of the water rushing everywhere from the sky, from the sea, from the boat, from the waterfalls. That was surreal. Amazing. Now I'm just gonna ride back to Queenstown and have an early night. I have a lot of editing to do. It'll be nice to have internet again. Just relax and then head to my final destination on this trip, which is Tekapo, Mount Cook.